Yo, case is wired up. All the communication cables neatly trunked up into the two Thanoses. I did post a message on the Discord, and it looks like these Thanos views are not connectable to one act as a host and a slave to have 8 channels of data coming into one inlet. So there will be 2 USB cables running up to the hub and then out in order to communicate to each. But this worked out pretty well using this 2020 rail on the back of these ASD drives. These little button dome-headed cap screws to hold in place. Still going to run this off-brand servo for the belt tensioner only, and need to create a 3D mount case for my voltage, PWM to voltage converter off of the Arduino, which will take the drive signal from the sim. But that's because this thing's looking for 0 to 10 volts to modulate how much torque goes out to the motor. But the whole thing's grounded up. Got my bus bars for the contactor mains voltage. That should be covered when things are working and on. It's de-energized now, but and then power bricks are on the bottom for the shakers. So I'm not sure where I'm going to place the shakers yet, or the amps for the shakers. It's a little bit of a gap up here. Might go and reinstall my trays that was holding them at the very top. That's enough room to get your hand in there and tweak them. So that's where we're at. See ya.